Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the game build and platform so fixes match your setup. Then restart your console or PC and your router. Power off, wait 30 seconds, power on. This clears transient network issues. Next, check NAT type and basic port settings on your router, because restricted NAT often blocks friend presence. Once done, note your IP and the game version. These are the headers for the next, more detailed steps. Now you focus on network and account layers. Set NAT to open or moderate, and forward the game's listed ports on your router because friend discovery relies on direct connections. Next, sign out of your platform account and the in-game profile, then clear local cache to remove stale presence data. Also, verify your friend's privacy settings and that platform status shows them online, since hidden profiles won't appear. Once these are done, move to finish with the client. Verify or reinstall game files and ensure all patches are applied, because corrupted data can hide friends. Use a wired connection to rule out Wi-Fi issues and test on an alternate network or hotspot to see if your home network is the culprit. If friends still don't appear, check official server status and try logging in with another account briefly. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot router, console, and PC together to rebuild fresh network sessions before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.